In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Gmail by subject. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you are already logged into your account. At the top of the page, click the search mail bar, type subject, followed by the word or phrase you want to find, for example, subject and project or subject.invoice. Press enter on your keyboard. You will now see all emails that contain that subject group together. Alternatively, click the Show Search Options icon on the right side of the search bar. In the subject field, type the word or phrase you want to search. Click Search to view the results. To organize emails automatically, click the Show Search Options icon. Again, click Create Filter in the bottom right corner. Check Apply the label, then choose an existing label or click New Label to create one. Enter a label name and click Create. Check also Apply Filter to matching conversations to include existing emails. Click Create Filter to finish. Another method is to locate an email with the subject you want in your inbox. Right-click the email in the message list. Click Find Emails with the same subject. You will now see all messages that share that exact subject. Click the X in the search bar to return to your main inbox. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.